I want to quickly talk to you about the top 10 best AI tools for e-commerce business this year. So if you have an e-commerce business, if you have an online store, this is the list I want you to pay attention to. Okay, the top 10 AI tools for e-commerce business. So number one, you have Chat GPT. I mean, Chat GPT has been around for a while, and the AI-powered chatbot Chat GPT by OpenAI can help with many of the content needs for your e-commerce business, producing product descriptions, blog posts. For instance, you have social media posts, and also marketing emails. Okay, you can also use ChatGPT to conduct market research, brainstorm content ideas, find let's say relevant keywords, optimize content for search, or even copy edit existing content. So you have a lot of possibilities that you can really contemplate if you were to consider a ChatGPT. Okay, so OpenAI offers both a free and a paid version of ChatGPT. So the free version runs on the large language model LLM GPT 3.5, and paid plans use the updated LM GPT 4. So paid versions also include DALL-E, which you can use to create images, produce advanced data and analytics for marketing teams, and also enable web browsing functions that allow you to really access timely information. Okay, so the use here is that you have written content creation, research. So that's really important. So the feature is when you think about ChatGPT, you have a natural language processing NLP capabilities, content creation, proofreading, editing, and translation, market and keyword research functions. So this is really fantastic. Next, you have a Shopify Magic. So Shopify Magic is really a suite of tools for Shopify users designed to support most of the customer-facing element of an e-commerce store. So if you have a website, if you have an online store, and you're using Shopify, you can use Shopify Magic to basically you can use its photo editor to swap out backgrounds on product images, for example, and also its content generation tools. You can use it to create SEO-friendly product descriptions and also FAQ answers. So that's really powerful. And its newest tool, Sidekick, offers internal support to Shopify customers 24/7 by pulling actually data from like performance data, offering e-commerce tips and brainstorming creative ideas. So the full suite of tools is free for all Shopify merchants, regardless of their subscription plan. So that's really a great path forward. So the use here is email scheduling, photo editing, and content generation. So the features within Shopify Magic include product description generation, optimized email scheduling, suggested FAQ content, and chatbot support. If you're looking for the 10 best AI tools for e-commerce businesses this year, I want you to think about ClickUp. And ClickUp actually is a tool e-commerce brands use to streamline workflows and also improve project management functions. So ClickUp is originally a project management software tool, but so far it has actually branched into AI. Okay, and so ClickUp actually includes automation functions for tasks like updating project statuses, priorities, and assignments. It also comes with e-commerce specific project templates like a project plan template and a website marketing plan template. You can add its AI writing tool ClickUp AI to any paid plan for an additional $5 per user per month. Okay, so the use here is project management. So feature wise, you have customizable project views, 24/7 customer support, but also you have built-in admin chat function. So that's really fantastic. Next, you have Bazaar Voice. So Bazaar Voice is actually an AI-powered e-commerce platform designed to help e-commerce store owners like you and me boost sales, right? It uses actually a real-time data analysis to identify a customer's probability of conversion, determine the most relevant sales and marketing messages, and also serve that particular customer, with personalized communications, product recommendations, or offers. Okay, so that's really good. Now, Bazaar Voice doesn't disclose its exact pricing structure, but the company offers a trial period where you are charged based on revenue increases attributable to the platform. Okay, you can contact the Bazaar Voice team for more information and also access their free trial. So the use here, when you think about Bazaar Voice, think about conversion and revenue optimization, marketing personalization. So you can really create bespoke content. So features here, you have dynamic personalization, data mining and analysis, real-time marketing, message optimization, A/B testing, as well as automated reporting. So that's really powerful. If you're looking for the 10 best AI tools for e-commerce businesses, I want you to consider Runway. So Runway really is a pretty important, let's say, pretty special product. Why? The AI software application Runway helps business owners create and edit video content. Okay, so the cool thing is you can create original videos based, let's say, on text, images, or audio files, and use the tools, editing tools, to transform video styles and add or remove objects. Consider using Runway to generate social media, marketing videos, advertisements, or product demonstrations. So the use here, when it comes to Runway, you are speaking about video generation and editing. So features, you have video generation, image, text, and audio prompts accepted. You have video editing, transcription and translation, audio cleaning, and you also have style transformations. So that's really good. Next, you have Jasper AI. So Jasper AI actually, it's a great tool in the sense that business owners like you and me can use it to generate written content, including advertisements, articles, and product descriptions. And Jasper also offers a brand voice feature that analyzes your existing content, develops an understanding of the tone your brand uses in a written context, and applies this learning to create original content in that voice. You can also manually enter your own voice and tone parameters. So more expensive plans accommodate multiple brand voices, generate images, and help you kind of scale content creation with collaboration tools, and also an instant campaign feature that can generate an entire campaign's worth of content. So the use here, when you think about Jasper, I want you to think about written content creation. And the features, you have NLP capabilities, so that's really powerful. So NLP capabilities, you have a custom brand voices, instant campaigns, you have content creation, editing, and repurposing. So Jasper does a great job helping you repurpose existing content. Okay, so they do have a pricing tier that's pretty interesting, because they have a pricing tier for a solopreneur and let's say freelancers. They also have a pro plan as well as a business plan. So, but you have to contact Jasper for more information. Now, as of the date of this show, we saw that the creator plan was about $39 per user per month, whereas the pro plan was $59 per user per month. But for the business plan, you got to contact the company. If you are looking for the 10 best AI tools for e-commerce business this year, I want you to think about Pre-Sync. So Pre-Sync is really an AI-powered pricing optimization tool that actually offers competitor monitoring and dynamic pricing capabilities for online retailers. So everything revolves around pricing. When you think about Pre-Sync or pricing, okay, so you can use it to track and analyze pricing data and adjust prices in bulk. It also offers a dynamic pricing functionality that tracks changes in the market and automatically adjusts prices to maximize profit margins. So the use here, when it comes to Pre-Sync or pricing, is a pricing optimization. Okay, features, you have competitor monitoring, centralized tracking dashboard, bulk price adjustments, and also dynamic pricing capabilities. Next, you have a Boost AI, another wonderful AI tool for e-commerce business. So Boost AI is actually a conversational AI chatbot that really allows business owners to leverage the power of AI for customer service. So the cool thing is you can use it to support customer self-service as an autonomous virtual agent, or to support your human customer service team. Okay, and Boost AI can respond actually to customer requests, solve problems. So that's really good. It can solve problems. It can also offer proactive recommendations based on anticipated needs. So that's really good from a scalability point of view. You will love Boost AI. Boost AI can also analyze customer inquiries and generate suggested responses that agents can use out of the box or personalize as needed. The tool also supports voice calls using conversational AI technology to provide 24/7 customer support by phone. Okay, so that's really good. So the use here is when you think about this tool, I want you to think about customer support. Okay, you have features as varied as NLP capabilities. So this is really good. You have autonomous support. You have agent assist mode, and you also have chat and voice call automation. In terms of pricing, you just need to contact the sales team for a demo or free trial, and then you take it from there. If you're looking for the top 10 best AI tools for e-commerce businesses, I want you to think about ViSense. So ViSense actually is an AI search and discovery platform designed to help online store owners boost conversions. It offers actually 6 different recommendations engines, a visual search function, a customer journey tracking, and customer insights. Okay, and ViSense's advanced recommendations engine make it a lot easier for customers to navigate your online stores. Okay, and so that's really good from a capability point of view. So the ability for your customers, your potential customers to navigate your online stores actually based on recommendations engines is really good, because basically this can boost customer satisfaction and encourage conversion. So if you're trying to really to boost your CRO, if you're trying to really boost your conversion rate optimization, think about ViSense. And ViSense also offers a contextual advertising feature, which analyzes customer behavior to help you create more relevant ads for display on third-party sites. Okay, so that's really that's really good from that's really complete also. So when you think about ViSense, I want you to think about product discovery. Okay, and in terms of features, you will be very pleased. Why? Because you have visual search, you have product recommendations, you have cross-selling and upselling. That's really good. I mean, you can see that all those are revenue oriented, all those features. I mean, you have customer journey visualization. You have also customer data and performance tracking, as well as finally you have A/B testing. So overall, basically, this ViSense tool is really powerful. In terms of pricing, you have to contact the sales team or the customer service team to actually get more information, really. So if you're looking for the 10 best AI tools for e-commerce businesses this year, I want you to think about Surfer AI. That's the last tool I want to share with you. So Surfer AI actually is a pretty innovative tool. Surfer is a search engine optimization tool, like originally, okay? So the company's AI module, Surfer AI, can produce SEO optimized content based on a keyword. You can enter a keyword into the app, include article settings, and generate article outline for review. And so once you have approved the outline, it will automatically create a full-length article. And so Surfer can also provide SEO-related feedback on human-generated content, and more expensive plans include SEO audit functions for your entire website. Okay, so a Surfer AI is included with higher-priced Surfer plans and is available as an add-on for scale and essential customers. So the use here is when you think about the Surfer AI, think about on-page SEO as well as content generation. So the features you have within Surfer include a keyword research, content generation, content optimization, and SEO audits. Okay, so that's really good. And what I want to say overall is that you have the possibility to get things done really, really fast. Okay, and so also you have to really understand. So I just shared with you the top 10 best AI tools for e-commerce businesses. Now you have to really understand that when you look at the AI versus AI with e-commerce, AI technologies can do a lot of stuff for online stores. Okay, AI technologies can support the following e-commerce functions. I'm going to put this on the screen so it's pretty clear to everybody. So you have AI can actually beef up your customer engagement, your digital marketing, your customer services. Your not customer service or customer services depends on how you have set up your company, performance tracking, pricing, conversion optimization, and search engine optimization. So all these things, you can actually use technology such as AI to really help you. And in some cases, it will be even more powerful than a human doing the job. So that's really good. One thing I want to say here is that you have to really understand that AI is changing all the time, right? AI is changing all the time. So you have to understand that whatever you feed into the tool, that's what the tool is going to give you in the end. So that means what? It means you have to work on the quality of the input if you want to really have if you want to have a quality output, because the AI function can actually help you, but it doesn't do miracles. Okay. So when you think about the top 10 best AI tools for e-commerce business, what are the facts that you need to really understand here? The thing is that whether you go with ChatGPT, Shopify Magic, ClickUp, Bazaar Voice, Runway, Jasper AI, PriceSync, Boost AI, you have Visense, or Surfer AI, what happens here is that you have a lot of possibilities here, okay? A lot of possibilities in the sense that you have the possibility to get things done. You have the possibility to also make sure that you get the exact capabilities that you want, okay? Now, what I want to say here is that artificial intelligence tools can help e-commerce shops boost revenue and cut costs. And so those AI technologies that I just shared with you can help you meet your e-commerce business goals. Imagine you're hiring for a new role. You probably wouldn't bring in a CPA to run your search engine optimization strategy or a content writer to build out a new tech stack, right? Instead, you would apply your understanding of common professional skill set to hire a candidate that meets your needs. So you can take the same approach to choosing an AI e-commerce tool. And so what I want to do is I just want you to remember that the reason why I shared with you the features, the cost, and e-commerce applications of the top 10 best AI tools is because I wanted you to really have a clear idea about the choice you can make based on your needs. So AI-powered tools can support a diverse set of e-commerce business functions, from optimizing prices to editing video content. So this is really good. Now let me give you a few of the most popular sort of AI centered business for like it's AI centered purchases. So when you think about the benefits of AI of using AI in e-commerce, you really have to understand that you have increased efficiency. So artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies can help business owners save time, cut costs, and make more sales. So you have increased efficiency. Okay, so that's really powerful. You also have improved marketing performance, and then you have a better customer experience or customer management. So AI tools can analyze customer reviews to help you address negative feedback or even improve customer service by providing 24/7 support. And also AI tools can detect fraud, authenticate online payment, and help you reduce your vulnerability to cyber attacks, protecting your business and increasing customer confidence. So this improved security should be another benefits of using AI in e-commerce this year. So here's the bottom line. The bottom line in today's conversation, I spoke to you about the top 10 best AI tools for e-commerce businesses. I give you the list, the facts, and then the bottom line. So the list, you have ChatGPT, Shopify Magic, ClickUp, Bazaar Voice, Runway, Jasper AI. You have PriceSync, you have Boost AI, you have Visense, and you also have a Surfer AI. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.